which is pretty cool. They made it.
Sounds right.
Still here, taking pictures. All the way down there. It's a pretty area.
Sounds right. Sounds right.
It's an area with your garden. Next to the garden. Here goes Captain Hook. Hey,
Sounds
hey,
right.
hey, Captain Hook. Yeah, that's my Captain Hook, alright. And this guy,
Sounds right.
one of the sellers guy. Got a gun and everything.
Sounds right.
Ah, look at that guy.
Sounds right.
Yeah. I noticed they put a piece of octopus.
Sounds right.
Oh there. That's over there.
Sounds right.
This is on them. There goes the treasure box over there.
Sounds right.
The mini golf.
Sounds right.
Welcome. Welcome Pirate Cove. Mini Cove.
Sounds right.
Alright, let's get the treasure over here. Another. Ooh, look at the treasure. The treasure box.
Sounds right.
Deposit. Go down there. Take pictures.
Sounds right.
Pretty flowers.
Sounds right.
Take a picture with the pirate. Pirate king.
Sounds right.
Here. This is really pretty. Over there. That's where I was. Gonna come back this way. Take a picture with the treasure.
Sounds right.
The ship.
Sounds right.
What's this guy? I'm gonna take a picture with this kind of swing over there. over there. No, there's a girl over there. Huh? Yeah, but I think this is way better. Because over there, remember, people were walking by and you could hear them. This is right here, like really nice. It's open. You can see the treasure. Picture of her. She's hanging. I took a picture with all of them.
Soundstripe.
No, they all the way down there. It starts from down there. I took a picture. That is cool. Like the octopus was underneath the ground. And this right here, that one, we can take pictures of that. Yeah, we put our head in there. Yeah, that's right. I think that's what they moved. I don't see the shot. I sat down there with him. Took a picture. Yeah.